Hey there, I'm Rajat. Welcome to Paperware. Today we are going to see how to install the new Microsoft Edge built using Chromium. This project is announced by Microsoft last year. This new browser is completely rebuilt using Google's Chromium codebase. Let's see how to install the new Microsoft Edge built using Chromium. Anyone can download and install this preview version of Microsoft Edge, but wait, the bugs are expected. If you want to download this, go to the link in the description below. Once you reach there will be 3 options. Beta channel, which will be updated once for every 6 weeks. Dev channel, which gives you updates weekly. And the Canary channel that offers daily updates. I will go with the Canary channel. You can go with the Dev channel also if you don't want to face more bugs. Click on the download button and accept the terms. Once it's downloaded, it will automatically trigger the installer. After completing this installation process, this is how it looks like. If you fed up with the bugs of new Chromium-based Microsoft Edge, you can just uninstall it anytime by going to the settings. What do you think about the new Microsoft Edge built on Chromium? Write it down in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. For more interesting videos like this, please do subscribe to our channel.